students. I am Miss Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 3rd Maths, chapter number 3. Students, in this video, we are going to start chapter number 3. Already chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 is completed. All the exercises are completed. Now we are proceeding to the next chapter, that is chapter number 3. Subtraction exercise 3.1. We will start with the exercise 3.1. So students, in this exercise, question number A and question number B, two questions are there. So from that, some questions I will solve for you. How to subtract, how to take borrow from the other number if smaller number is present in the upper side and lower number is bigger number. So that I will explain you in this exercise. So students, we will start from question number A. Question number A is subtract. First question is 278 minus 149. So students, how to subtract this I am going to tell you in this video. So see, 278 minus 149. Here 3 digits are there. Here 3 digits are there. So see, 8 minus 9. Of course students, 8 is a smaller number and 9 is bigger number. It cannot be subtracted. So 8 will take help from 7. So what 7 will do? 7 will, students, be careful in cutting the number. See, from right to the left down. Right top to the left down we will cut, not like this. This is the wrong way. This is the right way. Okay. So students, so you have to do like this. Okay. So see here. So 7 will become 6 because 1 it will give to next number here. So 8 will become 18. Simply students, 7 will become 6 and 8 will take 10 carry from here. So it will become 1 and this is 8. So you will write down here. So see students, 18, 10 carry will be there. From 7, 1 minus we are doing, 6 is there and 10 we are carrying down here. See. So now 18 minus 9. Of course 18 minus 9 can be done. 9 2s are 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. So now students, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 answer is 2. How to subtract you are knowing? Yes. So now 2 minus 1. Students, 2 minus 1 means 1. So 129 is the answer here students. So see, in this way you have to solve all the questions. Okay. So one more example I am showing you here. That is question number 5. Okay. So 726 minus 333. So simply 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 minus 3 cannot be done students. If you are having 2 chocolates and your mama is asking give me 3 chocolates beta. So how you will give? No, it is not possible. So this 2 will take help from here. This will become 6. It will give 1 here and this 2 will become 12 because this number is not in the need. See here, this number has given 1 here, 10 here and see here, 6 minus 3 can be done. So it will not take borrow from the next number. Simply this will take from here. So it will give here. So see 12 minus 3 now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9. Okay. So 9 is here. And 6 minus 3 again students. 3. So 393 is the 5th answer. So students, in this way you can solve the subtraction. Be careful in taking the borrow from the other number. And in this way you can solve the rest of the questions present in question A. So students, I am proceeding to the next question B. Write in columns and subtract. Students, in question number A, already the question is given in columns. So no need to write in columns. Simply already it is given in columns. So as it is you will write and calculate the answer. And here write in column and subtract. First you have to arrange and then you have to subtract. So students, see the question. 124 from 325. So students, from 325 means from 325 you have to subtract 124. So first you will write 325, or if you are getting some confusion, you can do one more thing, that this is the bigger number, this is the smaller number. So from this number it is given. So from 325 rest is same, given in the same pattern. So now 294 from 687. So from 687. So first we will write 687. Yes or no? Yes. Now which number I will write, students? 294. Yes, very good. 294. So after subtracting this number, we will get the answer what? That I will show you here. 7 minus 4 is 3. How? After 4 you will count forward. 4 you will start from 4 till 7. So after 4, 5, 6, 7. From 4, leaving the 4, next number is 5, 6 and 7. In 7 we are stopping. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 you are getting the answer. Now 8 minus 9. 8 is smaller, 9 is bigger. So of course this will take borrow. 6 will become 5 because 6 minus 1 is 5. So we have written 5 here and it will get 1 and this is 8. So we will write 8 here. Now again we have to carry here? No, we don't have to carry here again. Why? Because already 7 minus 4 is done and 7 is greater, 4 is smaller. Okay students? So now 18 minus 9. So after 9 you will count until 18 you will count. So from 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how much it is? 9. So 9. Now 5 minus 2. After 2 you will count till 5. So from 2, after 2, sorry. After 2. So 3, 4, 5. So till 5, 3 is there. So 3. So in this way we are getting the answer number 4 as 393. So students, I hope you are understanding. So one more I am solving it for you in this video. See here question number 7 of question B. So 456 you have to subtract from 872. From 872. From 872. What you have to subtract? Subtract 456. Subtract 456 from 872. From. Okay. So now 2 minus 6. It can be done? No. So it will ask for help from number 7. So 7 will tell, okay, I am ready to help. I can give you 1. So 7 will become 6 and this will give to here. Now 2 will be written here. So now 12 minus 6. 6 2s are 12. So directly 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6. Now 6 minus 5. 1. And 8 minus 4. 4. 416 is the answer, students. So see, in this way you can solve exercise 3.1, question number A. 1 and 5th I have solved for you, and rest 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 you can solve. Question number B, write in column and subtract. So 3 questions I have solved for you, rest you can solve. So students, in this way you can solve exercise 3.1. Chapter number 3. This is the first part, first video of chapter number 3. So from here you can learn how to